I went to the thrift store today. I'm going to show you what I got. Hang on. I got this shirt for $2. I like the bead detail up here. So this was $2. It's kind of 3/4 length, so it'll be good for work. This was probably a little bit more snug than what I like. This one I'll probably turn into a sleep shirt. This is that Time and True brand that I think you all said comes from Walmart. I wanted to try it in medium, but I didn't really try it on. I didn't really care. I don't know. We'll see. If it stretches out a little bit, I might wear it. It's a little bit extra snuggy. But this one was $1.50. Now this shirt must be fancy. It cost $2.50. Anyway, it's like, oh, this will be good. It's got a little bit of give to it, but that's fine. It's still nice enough that I could wear it short sleeved at work and everything. So in the summertime, just depending on what's going on. So these 3 shirts and that rank coffee pot that I threw away in my last video, that was $11 at the Safe House. The shirts I'm showing you now are from the the Teen Challenge store. And so I got several different shirts there. The total was $19. So all the shirts you'll see next, they don't price their stuff. So it's $19 for all of them. So I thought this is a cute shirt. It kind of goes down a little bit, but we know I wear my tank top, so that's all right. So anyway, so I got this one. I just thought it was kind of fun and cute. The little stripes on the sleeves and the floral print. Anyway, it's a V-cut neck, but again, we know I wear these, so it'll be okay. But got this one. So here's another one, just a t-shirt. But I kind of wanted some that, like I said, that look a little nice-ish, you know, that I'll be able to wear to work and, you know, not like so t-shirt looking. So this one. This is a different style. Of course, oh my. Well, they're going to see my arms for sure on this one. But anyway, I can wear this one to work. It's kind of got a tight around the waist. But yeah, so I'll keep my arms down. But anyway, I just think it's cute. So something I could wear out or to work. And then, like I said, I got some that can cross over. Maybe I'll use this as a t-shirt. Maybe I'll use this one for a sleep shirt. I don't know. This is one of those kind of, maybe I'll have to see how I feel. Like once it washes and I see, you know, how tight or whatever it is after it's been washed. This one is just a well-worn t-shirt. But it said Wolf Stock. And it's got dogs on it. There's a dog with the banjo and then a little dog and a dog. So I had to have this one. So this one, like I said, another one just to wear around the house or to sleep in, or maybe run to Walmart in, you know me. This one had some like grease stains on it, but I'm like, you know what, I'll get grease on it on cooking day anyway, so who cares. So so I got this t-shirt. I just thought, you know, be a good one for on the weekends or to sleep around in. Definitely a sleep one. It's got those shorter sleeves. I will not wear this out in public. But it's just, you know, one of those life begins with coffee. Just one of those kind of t-shirts that you can wear around the house in the summertime. And this is another one. I don't really know what I'll do with this one yet. Sleeves looks like they might be a little on the shorter side. That's one thing about women's t-shirts. You know, I need the longer sleeves because of my back wings. But anyway, so it'll be a good one to sleep around in. So yeah, all those shirts I just showed you were $19. So now I go through and I'll take off all the tags, and then tomorrow, because today, what is today? Today's Friday. So tomorrow I'll put them all in the washer. I'll do some laundry and get them all clean. Because right now they have that old stale clothes smell. But once they're washed, you never even know. All right, bye. So if we take off the $5 coffee pot, I spend $6 plus $19. So I spent $25 on all those shirts. Okay, now, bye.